Welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the products or inventory and POS sections of our accounting ERP software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Products System. Products and Services. This is where you upload products to the system. From the main window, select Products System, then Products and Services. Click Create. Enter item name and code. Set the selling price and select Income Account. Set the buying price and select Expense Account. Set tax. Select product category and unit of measurement. These two are configured in Accounting System section. Upload image. Select whether is a product or service. Type quantity and description. Click Create. To edit product, select the product from the product list, select Edit icon. Edit the product details, then click Update. To delete product, select the product from the product list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. To import products, click on Import icon. Download the CSV template. Update the CSV file, then upload. To export products, click on Export icon. Repeat the cycle for the other products. Product stock. This is where you update stock quantity. From the main window, select Products System, then Product Stock. Select the product. Click corresponding blue plus sign. Type product quantity. Click Save. POS System. Before handling POS System, kindly do your configuration and setup for the accounting and products system, as this section is highly dependent on the settings in those two sections. Warehouse. This is where you create warehouses. From the main window, select Warehouse. Click Create. Type warehouse details, that is, name, address and city. Click Create. To edit warehouse, select the warehouse from the warehouse list, select Edit icon. Edit the warehouse details, then click Edit. To delete warehouse, select the warehouse from the warehouse list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat this process for the other warehouses. Purchase. This is where you update product purchases. From the main window, select Purchase. Click Create. Select the vendor, warehouse, product category, and purchase date. To add new products, select Items, type quantity, price, discount, and description. To add more products, click Add Item. Select Items, type quantity, price, discount, and description. Click Create. To edit purchase, select the purchase from the purchase list, select Edit icon. Edit the purchase details, then click Update. To delete purchase, select the purchase from the purchase list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat this process for the other product purchases. Quotation. This is where you generate quotations for your clients. From the main window, select Quotation. Click Create. Select Warehouse, Customer, and Date, then click Create. To add new items, select Items, type quantity, price, discount, and description. To add more items, click Add Item. Select Items, type quantity, price, discount, and description. Click Create. To edit quotation, select the quotation from the quotation list, select Edit icon. Edit the quotation details, then click Update. To delete quotation, select the quotation from the quotation list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat this process for the other quotations. Add POS. This is where you process POS transactions. From the main window, select Add POS. Select the products. Set the quantities. Type the discount if any. Click Pay. Click Cash Payment. Click Print to print the receipt. POS. This section displays a summary of the POS sales. From the main window, select POS. To search for specific sale, click the name in the search bar. All the sales related to that name will display. Transfer. Use this section to transfer goods from one warehouse to another. From the main window, select Transfer. Click Create. Select the warehouse from N2. Select the product, quantity, and date. Click Create. To edit transfer, select the transfer from the transfer list, select Edit icon. Edit the transfer details, then click Save to save changes. To delete transfer, select the transfer from the transfer list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat this process for the other transfers. Print barcode. This is where you set up barcode settings and print barcodes for your products. From the main window, select Print barcode. Click the barcode setting icon. Select the barcode type 128, 39, or 93. Kindly Google these formats to get the difference. Select the barcode format CSS or BMP. Kindly Google these formats to get the difference. Click Save. To print barcodes, select Print barcodes icon. Select Warehouse, Product, and Barcode Quantity. Click Print to print barcodes. For more clarifications on the above demo video or technical support, kindly reach us out through the comment section below or email us at info@accountingerpsystemsoftware.online.